This is the third video of our standard extended formative assessment test on equations, and we will look at question 3, and so we are simplifying. With question 3a, what we've got is a fraction multiplied by a fraction. Okay, and if this looks a little bit scary at the moment, we've got all your x's and y's and some of them are to the power of 2 or 3. Let's work through this one. So just knowledge of fractions, again, fraction times a fraction. You're actually multiplying out the numerator, and then you will multiply out the denominator. Okay, so let's do that now. In our numerator, we've got 6 multiplied by x multiplied by y squared, so that's y times y, multiplied by x squared, which is x times x, multiplied by y to the power of 3. And in our denominator, we've got x times y times 3 times x times y. Okay, and that one, if we rearrange, we've got 6x times x times x times y times y times y times y times y, and all divided by 3 times x times x times y. And if we look at that and just compare it with our original expression, in the numerator we had an x and an x squared, so that's x to the power of 3. Also in our numerator we had y squared and y cubed, so there's 5 of them. Down to our denominator we had an x and an x, so that's an x squared. And finally, we had a y and a y, so that's y squared. And of course, with our, there we go. With our coefficients there of 6 and 3, they've just been carried across. Okay, let's now solve this. We want to just look at the same for the numerator and denominator. So that's cancelled. Another y is cancelled. Now we cancel an x, another x, and our 6 over 3 will cancel down to 2 over 1. So that leaves us with 2 x y times y times y, which that equals 2 times x times y cubed. So we've solved question 3a. I'll just move that one across now. And that one was 2 marks. And so it's 1 mark for the answer and 1 mark for working out. Okay, next, 3b. So in this video, in this question, we're looking at now, we need to expand this expression. So it's minus 2 times x, and here's the kicker, minus 2 times minus 3. So that will give us negative 2x minus 6. No, it's plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6. So that's our 3b is solved. So we'll just move that into place. There, done. And 3c, we're again expanding our brackets. Okay, 3 times x and 3 times minus 2. And then positive 2 times 1 and positive 2 times negative x. And so let's now expand. So we will have 3 times x is 3x, and then 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Then we need to have 2 times 1, so that's 2, and 2 times negative x, which is negative 2x. Now we need to collect our like terms, so we can see here we've got a 3x and a negative 2x. So that will give us 3x minus 2x. That's 1x, which is x. And then secondly, we have a negative 6 plus 2. So minus 6 and then plus 2. Would that be minus 8 or minus 4? Negative 6 plus 2. If we do a number line. And so we're at negative 6, and then we're going to plus 2. So we're negative 5, negative 4. And so then we've got negative 4. So there's our answer for question 3C, which is x minus 4. Excellent.